Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with a food blog. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you passionate about food and cooking? Do you love sharing your recipes and cooking tips with others? If so, then starting a food blog could be a great way to make money online. We'll start by discussing why a food blog is a great way to make money online. Food blogs are becoming increasingly popular, as more and more people turn to the internet for information on recipes, cooking tips, and restaurants. And there are many ways to monetize a food blog, from advertising and sponsorships to selling products or affiliate marketing. The first step to creating a successful food website is to choose a niche. There are many different niches you could choose, but it's important to select one that you're passionate about and that you know there is an audience for. For example, if you love baking, you might create a baking-focused website. If you're interested in healthy eating, you might create a website focused on healthy recipes. Creating quality content is essential for a successful food website. This means writing engaging and informative blog posts, creating beautiful and mouth-watering recipes, and taking high-quality photos of the food you make. It's also important to regularly update your website with new content to keep readers coming back for more. Promoting your website is also important. There are many ways to promote your website, but some of the most effective include social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and guest blogging. By promoting your website, you can attract more readers and potential customers, which will ultimately help you make more money. We'll also discuss some tips for making money with a food website. Advertising and sponsorships, selling products, and affiliate marketing are all great ways to monetize a food website. You can work with companies to promote their products on your website or through social media. Or you can even create your own online store to sell specialty food products. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money with a food blog. Whether you're just starting out or looking to monetize an existing website, there are plenty of opportunities to turn your passion for food into a profitable online business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.